Are you in the market for a new SUV but worried about long-term reliability? In today's video, I'll highlight 10 unreliable SUVs that may not meet your expectations and suggest some reliable SUV options that are worth considering. Let's jump into our list of SUVs to avoid and the alternatives you should think about. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Ford Bronco Sport and Ford Escape. The Ford Bronco Sport is designed as a compact, rugged SUV with a bold exterior and a boxy shape that stands out on the road. Inside, its utilitarian design prioritizes durability over luxury, with materials that often feel less premium than expected for the price. The infotainment system features Ford's Sync, but some users report lagging response times and a lack of refinement compared to competitors. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine offers decent fuel economy, but its 181 horsepower is modest. The optional 2.0-liter turbo engine enhances performance for light off-roading and is supported by Ford's GOAT, goes over any terrain mode. However, the ride can be overly firm on paved roads, accompanied by noticeable wind noise, which affects comfort on longer trips. Owners have reported build quality issues, including rattling noises, inconsistent panel gaps, and a windshield prone to chipping. The rear passenger space and absence of dual-zone climate control are also common complaints. Additionally, the 2021 to 2024 Bronco Sport has faced several recalls, including one for power loss and improperly fastened rear suspension components, which posed a significant safety risk. The Ford Escape, a popular compact SUV, initially attracted buyers with its modern styling and competitive pricing. Its sleek exterior features clean lines for easy maneuverability in urban settings, while the functional interior, though straightforward, has materials that feel less premium compared to competitors. The Escape offers a variety of engines, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged three-cylinder, which some find underpowered, and a more powerful 2.0-liter turbo option, along with a hybrid for better fuel efficiency. However, the Escape has faced several reliability issues over the years, including engine faults and transmission problems. Ford issued recalls for fuel leaks and engine coolant leaks that could lead to overheating and fires, damaging customer confidence despite their efforts to address these issues. For a reliable, rugged, and comfortable SUV, consider the Mazda CX-50. With its premium interior and smooth driving, the Subaru Forester for all-weather capability and ample cargo space, or the Toyota RAV4 Adventure and TRD off-road trims, which combine Toyota reliability with rugged styling and enhanced off-road features. Range Rover, Land Rover. The Range Rover is an icon in the luxury SUV world, known for its opulent design, advanced technology, and commanding presence. However, despite its prestige, the Range Rover has a history of reliability concerns, with common complaints about the electrical system, suspension, and transmission, especially in earlier models. The interior is a highlight, featuring premium materials along with dual touchscreen infotainment, digital displays, heated seats, and ambient lighting. However, pre-2020 models often faced issues with glitchy infotainment, unresponsive touchscreens, and occasional reboots. Range Rovers come with powerful engines, from supercharged V6s to V8s, and mild hybrid powertrains. They perform well both on and off-road, thanks to advanced terrain response systems, including rear-wheel steering for tighter U-turns and multiple off-roading modes. However, Range Rover has had recurring issues with the transmission and air suspension, with costly repairs often required. Air suspension components like air springs, pumps, solenoids, and O-rings are prone to failure. While great for off-roading, the Range Rover's high ground clearance causes significant body roll during cornering, as well as noticeable dip and dive. Long-term ownership costs are steep, especially with frequent repairs needed for the air suspension and electronics. Resale value is also impacted by its poor reliability reputation. Several recalls have been issued for faulty airbags, fuel leaks, and software glitches. For those seeking a more reliable alternative, the Lexus LX offers similar luxury and off-road capability with a much better reputation for reliability and lower long-term ownership costs. While it may lack some of the cutting-edge tech of the Range Rover, it excels in durability and customer satisfaction, making it a solid choice for peace of mind. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe combines ruggedness with modern SUV sophistication. Its exterior reflects Jeep's iconic boxy design, but with more aerodynamic contours and sharp lines in recent years. However, despite its aesthetic appeal, build quality can be inconsistent, especially in fit and finish, where owners have noticed rattling panels and exterior issues even on newer models. The tech is cutting edge, but can be a mixed bag. While the Uconnect infotainment system is highly intuitive, users report bugs that affect navigation, connectivity, and even HVAC controls, leading to frustration over time. The Grand Cherokee 4xE is a plug-in hybrid variation of the classic Jeep Grand Cherokee that swaps the V6 engine for a hybrid setup, combining a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with electric motors. However, fuel economy ratings often fall short of expectations, especially once the battery depletes, making it a less efficient choice for long drives. Performance-wise, it's powerful and can tackle off-road terrains, but reliability issues in the transmission have been frequent. Additionally, the Grand Cherokee 4xZ comes with a high price tag, which is steep compared to what it delivers, potentially making it a tough sell for value-conscious buyers. There was a frequent recall since 2021 on components such as the electrical system and powertrain. A significant recall was issued for certain 2022 models due to a software glitch that could cause the vehicle to unexpectedly lose power, something Jeep addressed with a software update, but not without inconveniencing owners. Resale value has declined, especially as reliability concerns affect consumer confidence. The high ownership cost stems from frequent repairs, costly parts, and higher maintenance fees. For a plug-in hybrid SUV with a strong reliability record, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid offers comparable performance with far fewer reliability issues. Its hybrid system is proven, and ownership costs are much lower over time. The Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid is another solid alternative, combining refined design and powerful performance with reliable plug-in hybrid technology. The Jeep Wrangler 4xE combines the classic Wrangler look with hybrid technology, maintaining the rugged charm that Jeep fans appreciate. The iconic boxy open-air design stands out, but some owners report inconsistent build quality with exterior seals and roof leaks, especially in the earlier model years of the 4xE. While Jeep has upgraded the Wrangler's interior, it remains basic compared to competitors. Interior space is limited, and some tech elements, like the EV system displays, have had functionality bugs. With a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine and dual electric motors, the Wrangler 4xE delivers 375 horsepower. Despite being hybrid, the real-world fuel efficiency is lackluster. The Wrangler 4xE's reliability is below average for the hybrid SUV segment. Common issues include faulty software, electrical problems, and high repair costs due to the complex hybrid system. Some 2021 models had a recall due to battery pack safety concerns. A solid choice would be something like the Toyota 4Runner 2025. While it's not yet on the market, Toyota has a strong reputation for hybrid reliability, making the upcoming 4Runner a promising alternative to the Wrangler 4xE. It's expected to deliver the same rugged experience with fewer reliability concerns and excellent resale value. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos, launched in 2022, is an affordable compact SUV offering Volkswagen's signature driving feel without the premium price of models like the Tiguan. With sleek styling, a clean grille, LED headlights, and ample rear legroom, it stands out in the compact SUV market. Interior materials are decent for the price, though hard plastics and occasional creaks can be noticeable in base trims. The Taos features a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with 158 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic for front-wheel drive models or a 7-speed dual clutch for all-wheel drive. The drivetrain can feel unrefined at low speeds, with occasional hesitation in shifting, especially from a standstill, which can be an issue in city driving. Reliability has been a concern for the Taos, with frequent complaints arising around its powertrain, software, and build quality. Notably, there have been reports of engine misfires and transmission jerks, especially on models from the 2022 production year. Some owners have faced issues with the turbocharger and other components that can be costly to repair over time. Additionally, the infotainment system has been reported to freeze or malfunction, impacting the driving experience and requiring frequent dealership visits to resolve. It also lacks some advanced driver assistance systems and the overall structural integrity found in competitors, which led it to receive a moderate score in the IIHS crashworthiness test. Volkswagen has issued recalls to address some of these issues. While VW handled these recalls responsibly, the issues have led to concerns among owners regarding the vehicle's longevity and overall reliability. Resale value for the Taos may be less favorable than for other compact SUVs, partly due to its developing reliability reputation. If you're in the market for a reliable compact SUV with similar features, the Toyota Corolla Cross is an excellent alternative. The Corolla Cross is known for its outstanding reliability, efficient powertrain, and solid resale value. Next up, we have the Nissan Rogue and Infiniti QX50. The Nissan Rogue, a popular compact SUV, offers a spacious cabin, solid design, and practical features, but it's faced recurring reliability issues, especially with its transmission. Compared to rivals, it has more cabin noise, a somewhat bumpier ride, and a base infotainment system that's beginning to feel outdated. The original 2.5-liter engine is efficient but lacks power, and the 2022 switch to a 1.5-liter VC turbo 3-cylinder aimed to improve efficiency, but it has faced rough idling and oil consumption issues. The Rogue's biggest drawback, though, remains its CVT transmission, which has been prone to shuddering, overheating, and even total failure as early as 60,000 miles. With repair costs around $3,000, Nissan eventually extended the drivetrain warranty to 120,000 miles and faced class action lawsuits over the CVT. The Infiniti QX50, meanwhile, offers a bold, upscale design with a refined cabin. However, the 2.0L VC turbo engine, despite its innovation, has performance inconsistencies, and the CVT leaves the driving experience feeling disconnected. Reliability has also been a concern, particularly in earlier models, with complaints about engine issues and software glitches. In short, while the Rogue and QX50 bring strong features to the table, reliability concerns remain a major drawback for long-term ownership. For those seeking peace of mind, consider the Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, or Mazda CX-5 as dependable alternatives in the Rogues class, or the Acura RDX, Lexus NX, or BMW X3 for luxury alternatives to the QX50. These options offer smoother performance and a more reliable ownership experience. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps keep the content coming. Chevrolet Trailblazer, a compact SUV with a distinctive, bold look, was reintroduced in 2021 after previously being discontinued in 2009. Its exterior gives a sporty impression, and its modern, angular design appeals to many buyers looking for an edgy, urban-friendly vehicle. Inside, the Trailblazer offers a fairly spacious cabin, with seats that are comfortable enough for daily commutes. However, it falls a bit short on interior materials compared to some competitors, as it relies heavily on hard plastics, which can make the cabin feel less refined. Technology-wise, the base model comes equipped with Chevrolet's infotainment system, offering features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a plus for connectivity. However, the system can lag and feel clunky at times. Under the hood, the Trailblazer provides two engine options, a 1.2-liter and a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. These engines can feel underpowered, especially during highway driving or when carrying a full load. Chevrolet offers both a continuously variable transmission and a traditional automatic transmission. The CVT, which is paired with the front-wheel drive models, has a tendency to feel sluggish and unresponsive, especially during quick accelerations. The automatic transmission found in the all-wheel drive models provides a more traditional shifting experience, but has had reports of hesitation and rough shifting, which detracts from the overall driving experience. The Trailblazer's return to the lineup came with issues, especially in the first few model years, as common concerns emerged about engine stalling, electrical system glitches, and transmission hesitation. Buyers who plan to own their SUV for many years may face some higher-than-expected maintenance costs down the line. When it comes to resale value, the Trailblazer doesn't hold up as well as some competitors, largely due to concerns about long-term durability and these initial reliability issues. Hyundai and Kia SUVs with the Theta 2 GDI engine. Finally, we have Hyundai and Kia SUVs with the 2.0-liter and 2.4-liter GDI engine. Popular models like the Hyundai Tucson, Santa Fe, as well as the Kia Sorento and Sportage, use this engine in some of their model year and have become favorites in the compact and mid-size SUV markets. Though these SUVs offer competitive pricing, modern styling, and advanced technology, the Theta 2 engine's reliability has faced scrutiny, particularly with reports of premature engine failures and high oil consumption. Fuel economy is decent for the class, but the reliability issues have made long-term ownership costs higher than expected, with costly engine repairs or replacements that can reach several $1,000s. The Theta 2 engine has been central to several recalls and lawsuits, especially in model years from around 2013 to 2019. And all these issues have affected how well these models hold their value for resale. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot.